Hi. So in the last two videos, we have created Git account and GitHub account also. Now in this video, we'll be integrating them together. So first thing we need to do is we need to we just installed Git locally. Now we need to give it some username and email account. So we have to configure it. So the command for that is git config global user dot name, and then in double quotes you can just say this is my name, but you have to give your name there, and then you have to also specify email, and again you have to specify your email there with which you have registered on GitHub. Okay, once you do these two things, now what we want to do is we want to create a repository and try to push some code to it so that we know that both the tools can talk to each other. All right, so in order to do that, let's just create a repository and let's just name it test repo. This is empty repository. So I'm just going to create one folder on my local machine with the same name, test repo, and just go inside it, git bash here. Okay, you have to do similar things, you have to follow along. So now we will just use these all commands one by one, and for now you can just follow them. We will talk in depth about git and all these commands later, but for now, just to check integration, we will just follow them one by one. Here on my machine it is master branch, so I'll just name it as master instead of main. So it will be, instead of Rohit at if you want it, you will have something else because your username would be something different. And again, here also I'll rename it to master because on my local it is master. So once I do that, it just pushed that commit. In your case, it might ask you to authenticate with GitHub using a browser, so you'll have to do that. But after that, what you will do is if you refresh the same page, you will find a readme file and this test repo name there. So which, like, we just created a file, again the same file which is here, and now that is pushed onto GitHub. So all we know is we can locally create some code and then we can push it onto GitHub. So all our integrations are working fine. All right, that's it. Thank you.